Then India say that you are Indian nation. You are not Naga. Naga is just a tribe, not a nation. But your nationality is India. We say no. We have been fighting for years and decades for our identity. My identity runs in the blood. Huh? It cannot be created by parliament. It cannot be created by any force on earth, but it is the gift of God. Naga nationality runs in the blood. It is in our DNA. Therefore, we are not Indian. We are not Chinese. We are not Burmese. We are not Americans. We are Nagas. That is my identity. So, India finally recognized the entity of the Nagas, the nation of the Nagas. And then, about territory, because India is fighting to annex the Naga territory into Indian subcontinent. So we say we have been fighting in defense of our territory, our identity, our rights, our people, our politics, and our foundation. So finally, India say, you are the owner of your land. Anything on the surface and beneath of it belong to the Nagas, not the Indian, not the Burmese, not any others. It belongs to them. So government of India has now recognized the territory of the Nagas.
Sir, the next question is like, what is the opinion or stand of the Yazabo or the Naga constitution?
So I'll come to that point. Now, since the government of India has recognized the sovereignty of the Nagas, Yazabo and flag, Naga national flag and constitution are the component parts of sovereignty. Flag and constitutions are the material of sovereignty. Without flag and constitution, sovereignty is a form without content. Therefore, we view that our constitutions and our flag have already been recognized by the government of India. But government of India make issue out of it. Therefore, we are still talking on it. They brought a formulation. Government of India has recognized, acknowledged and recognized the Naga national flag and constitution. But I say, put full stop. But they continue saying that. But the placement of flag, you can use it everywhere, by everybody, every Naga. But you cannot use it in the office. So our honorable documentary say that is next to impossible. We'll use it in the office, we'll use it in the everywhere. And it will be used by all Nagas, all sections of Nagas. So we have already mooted our point of view to them, and they have taken note of it.